Hello, this is Ametetsu. This channel usually features my railroad travel around Japan and overseas. Today's post will show some tips for visitors who are going to a venue for Rugby Pacific Nations Cup in Japan, Kamaishi Stadium. Kamaishi is one of the most famous port city and has developed iron and steel industry. On July 27, 2019, Kamaishi hosts a rugby match between Japan and Fiji. But one question remains, how do we get there? So I will show you the direction when you go by trains from Tokyo Station. If you are at Tokyo Station, please ride on Tohoku Shinkansen trains that will take you to Shin-Hanamaki Station. At Shin-Hanamaki Station, you transfer to Kamaishi line. The trains will take you to Kamaishi Station. At Kamaishi Station, you transfer to Sanriku Tetsudo line and go to Unosuma Station. JR East and Sanriku Tetsudo Company will offer rugby fans special trains, so I will show you the details in the screen. If you are at Tokyo Station, please ride on Yamabiko 41, and this train depart from Tokyo Station at 6:04 a.m. This train will arrive at Shin-Hanamaki Station at 9:09 a.m. You can transfer to Kamaishi line and ride on the rapid service Hamairi 1. This train will leave Shin-Hanamaki Station at 9:22 a.m. and arrive at Kamaishi Station at 10:56 a.m. And you can transfer to Sanriku Tetsudo line special train. This train will leave Kamaishi Station at 11:45 a.m. and arrive at Unosuma Station, which is the nearest station of Kamaishi Stadium, at 11:55 a.m. The second pattern is leaving at Tokyo Station at 6:56 a.m. This train is a Hayabusa 147. The Hayabusa 147 will arrive at Shin-Hanamaki Station at 9:03 a.m. At Shin-Hanamaki Station, as I said before, you can ride on Rapid Hamairi 1, and which leaves Shin-Hanamaki Station at 9:22 and arrive at Kamaishi Station at 10:56 a.m. At Kamaishi Station, as I said before, special train is available, and this train depart at Kamaishi Station at 11:45 a.m. and arrive at Unosuma Station at 11:55 a.m. The third pattern is riding on Hayabusa 101. This Hayabusa 101 train leave Tokyo Station at 7:16. This train will arrive at Shin-Hanamaki Station at 9:50 a.m. and you can transfer to local train of Kamaishi line. This train will leave at 9:57 from Shin-Hanamaki Station. This train will arrive at Kamaishi Station at 10:59 a.m. You can transfer to Sanriku Tetsudo line local train. This train will leave Kamaishi Station at 12:15 p.m. Then you can arrive at Unosuma Station at 12:27 p.m. The fourth pattern is riding on Hayabusa 149. This train will leave at Tokyo Station at 7:40, and you can arrive at Shin-Hanamaki Station at 10:10 a.m. You can transfer to Rugby Kamaishi 3 of Kamaishi line, leave us at 10:23 a.m. and arrive at Kamaishi Station at 12:23 p.m. You can transfer to Sanriku Tetsudo line special train. This train will leave at 13 o'clock or 1 p.m. and you can arrive at Unosuma Station at 13:10 or 1:10 p.m. The fifth pattern is riding on Hayabusa 103. This train will leave Tokyo Station at 7:56 and arrive at Shin Hanamaki Station at 10:38. You can transfer to Rugby Kamaishi 5 train of Kamaishi Line, leaving Shin Hanamaki Station at 10:53, and then arrive at 12:53 p.m. Then you can transfer to Sanriku Tetsudo Line special train, and this is a semi train as I mentioned before. This train will leave Kamaishi Station at 13 o'clock or 1 o'clock p.m. and Unosuma Station you can arrive at 13:10 or 1:10 p.m. If you go back to Tokyo, this is a brief itinerary. If you are at Unosuma Station, you can ride on Sanriku Tetsudo Line to Kamaishi, and then you can transfer to Kamaishi Line, which take you to Shin Hanamaki Station, and then you can ride on Tohoku Shinkansen Line, and you can go back to Tokyo. This is a first pattern. At Unosuma Station, you can use special train which leave the station at 16:50 or 4:50 p.m. and you can arrive Kamaishi Station at 17 o'clock or 5 o'clock p.m. Then you can transfer to Kamaishi Line. You can ride on Rugby Kamaishi 2. This train will leave 17:18 or 5:18 p.m. and you can arrive at Shin Hanamaki Station at 19:07 or 7:07 p.m. You can transfer to Tohoku Shinkansen Line and ride on Yamabiko 58. This train will leave Shin Hanamaki Station at 19:52, and then you can arrive Tokyo Station at 20:56 or Shin Hanamaki Station at 7:52 p.m. and Tokyo Station at 10:56 p.m. This is the second pattern. At Unosuma Station, you can ride on local train of Sanriku Tetsudo Line. This leaves at 17:23 or 5:23 p.m. and then you can arrive Kamaishi Station at 17:36 or 5:36 p.m. At Kamaishi Station, you can transfer to Kamaishi Line and then you can use local train which leave Kamaishi Station at 17:47 or 5:47 p.m. and then you can arrive at Shin Hanamaki Station at 19:42 or 7:42 p.m. You can transfer to Tohoku Shinkansen Line at Shin Hanamaki Station and you can ride Yamabiko 58. This train will leave Shin Hanamaki Station at 19:52 or 7:52 p.m. and you can arrive at Tokyo Station at 22:56 or 10:56 p.m. The third pattern is you can ride on special train of Sanriku Tetsudo Line. You can ride the train at Unosuma Station at 17:45 or 5:45 p.m. and then you can arrive at Kamaishi Station at 17:55 or 5:55 p.m. You can transfer to Rugby Kamaishi 4 of Kamaishi Line. This train will leave Kamaishi Station at 18:14 or 6:14 p.m. Then you can arrive at Shin Hanamaki Station at 20:10 or 8:10 p.m. And you can transfer to Hayabusa 166 of Tohoku Shinkansen Line at Shin Hanamaki Station. This train will depart Shin Hanamaki Station at 20:31 or 8:31 p.m. and arrive at Tokyo Station at 22:40 or 10:40 p.m. The fourth train is you can use the same train of Sanriku Tetsudo Line's special train. This means you can leave Unosumai Station at 17:45 or 5:45 p.m. Then you can arrive at Karamashi Station at 17:55 or 5:55 p.m. At Kamaishi Station, you can ride Rugby Kamaishi 6 of Kamaishi Line. This train will leave Kamaishi Station at 18:50 or 6:50 p.m. and arrive at Shinhanamaki Station at 20:33 or 8:33 p.m. At Shinhanamaki Station, you can ride on Yamabiko 60 of Tohoku Shinkansen Line. This train will leave Shinhanamaki Station at 20:41 or 8:41 p.m. and then arrive at Tokyo Station at 23:44 or 11:44 p.m. So these are the trains which you can ride on from Tokyo Station and to Tokyo Station. Please make sure that schedules may be changed for some reasons. Please always check updates announced in stations and have fun. Thank you for your listening. Goodbye.